and welcome back to the Southern Snack, where life is too short to be serious. All right, first ever Pei Wei's review. It's a Asian fusion type of place, and they announced that they have new Honey Sriracha Wings, so I wanted to try that. And then when I was going through the menu, I saw Firecracker Chicken, so I wanted to try that. So we've got two dishes. The Honey Sriracha Wings is the star of the show today, but maybe Firecracker Chicken will come out winner. I don't know, but we're here for the wings mostly, right? All right, the wings, the chicken, they're both chicken, but one's a wing, one's chopped up chicken. All right, let's go ahead and review the Honey Sriracha Chicken Wings. All right, grabbing a big boy. Oh yes, that's sweet honey. Now remember, there's a shortage in Sriracha, and let me tell you, there's not a lot of Sriracha in these wings. Got a little bit more on that bite. These taste good, but as I was saying, my issue is that there's just not enough Sriracha. It's an overly sweet wing, in my opinion. For me, I'm gonna give it a 7. I like it, but I want that Sriracha flavor to burn me up a little bit. Make me say, oh, that's why it's sweet. It's to kind of calm me down from this heat that Sriracha brings, and I'm just not getting quite enough heat from the Sriracha. Okay, so Firecracker Chicken. Let's try this out. This is supposed to have a little bit of kick to it as well. I like the crispy edges here, and then that tender inside. The flavor's good too, and it brings some heat. Kind of reminds me if you take orange chicken and mix it with General Tso's, or in a way it reminds me of like Asian sweet chili. Overall, I wish this dish had more chicken because I can't get enough of the flavor. Really nicely prepared dish. So overall, as a dish, I'm gonna give this a 9. It would get a 10 if there's more chicken to it. But this one picks up where the chicken wings kind of failed. It hits on the flavor quite a bit better. Plus you get some rice to pair with it. So really nice dish, flavorful, spicy, savory, and sweet. Everything you want in your Asian fusion kind of dish. So yeah, I recommend the Firecracker shrimp. The wings ain't bad. Maybe you'll get a better batch than me. I just was dying for more Sriracha flavor. So overall, pretty good experience for my first time. Hopefully I'll be back. Don't think there's any Pei Wei's near me at home, so that's what's been holding me away. But other than that, we'll do our work. We'll keep grinding, and I'll see y'all around. Yeah.